Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through a fix for if an app's not opening. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. If I'm trying to get on TikTok right here and I'm clicking on it, it's not opening, the first thing you want to do is, check and make sure there's no update to it. There could be a backend error if you haven't updated it recently. So to do that, what you're going to do is, just go to your app store, type in TikTok at the top, and then find it. And where mine says open, if it says update, then you need to go ahead and update that. It's just sometimes there's an error, especially if you haven't updated it in a while, then it won't really open, and it's just clearing it out. So if you've done that and it's still not opening, the next thing you want to try is just to turn off your phone and turn it back on. Now, it's pretty quick, simple. It just could be an error with your phone. Sometimes that happens. So just turn on it and turn it back on and see if that worked. And the last thing to do, if that's not working, is just to reset the app. Super simple. All you have to do is go to your settings in your phone, go down till you see general, then iPhone storage. Once this loads, all you have to do is find TikTok, which is right here for me, and then offload the app and offload. This is basically just freeing up storage, like it says. It takes out any glitches in the system. So if there's a back-end issue with TikTok, then you want to reinstall the app. And this might take a couple of minutes depending on how many megabytes or gigabytes is stored in there, how recently you've done this. Basically, it's just like if you deleted the app and then reinstalled it from the App Store. It just resets it and clears it all out. So once that resets, then you'll be able to go back into TikTok and it should be able to open right there. You'll have to log in because it'll probably have logged you out since you are deleting the app and then reinstalling it, but all your information will still be there. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.